Russet was the swiftest fox in the great oak woods. He loved the crunch of autumn leaves under his paws and the smell of the crisp morning air as he trotted through the trees. One morning, a delicious scent tickled his nose. It smelled like aged cheddar, his absolute favorite treat. Just one tiny nibble, he whispered to himself, following the scent to a small clearing. Clack! Before Russet could even take a bite, a heavy wooden door slammed shut behind him. He was trapped inside a sturdy cage, hidden beneath a pile of brush and leaves. Russet scratched at the bars and pushed against the door, but they wouldn't budge. He felt a moment of fear, but then he took a deep breath. "Think, Russet, think," he told himself, quieting his racing heart. Heavy footsteps soon crunched through the fallen leaves nearby. Silas the hunter was coming to check his traps. He was whistling a low, cheerful tune, confident that he had caught something special. Russet knew he couldn't outrun the cage, but he could outsmart the hunter. He flopped onto the floor, held his breath, and closed his eyes tight. He stayed as still as a stone. Silas reached the cage and stopped whistling. He leaned down and peered through the bars. "Oh dear," he muttered, looking at the fox. "It seems this one was too scared to even put up a fight." Silas wanted to see if the fox was truly gone. He slowly lifted the wooden latch and swung the heavy door wide open, reaching his hand inside to pull Russet out by his scruff. In a flash, Russet's eyes popped open. He leaped over Silas's hand, dashed through the open door, and raced into the tall grass before the hunter could even blink. Deep in the safety of the forest, Russet paused to catch his breath. He had lost the cheese, but he had kept his freedom. He knew now that quick thinking is the best tool a fox can have.